Morning. I just woke up. I did not feel like waking up. I wanted to stay in bed. Yeah. So we're doing everything we do not feel like doing. Okay, things have to change. We have to change. Okay, so let's fix my bed, and then we'll deal with the day. The weather is very gloomy outside, and I have to walk. I have to run. I have to do that. But like the weather is really looking like I want to stay at home and stay under the covers. But we have to do this. Y'all, do you see how gloomy it is outside? It's so gloomy. Okay, next step is looking for my workout clothes. I slept late. Yeah. But next we have to look for my workout clothes. I have no idea where but I don't have warm workout clothes. I'm actually very thin. But we'll see. Wrong way. Okay, I feel better. It's very cold, guys. It is really cold, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I don't know if I want to do this, but I was actually in truck stop. I was literally in truck stop. Now I dread running. Crazy. Why do I keep bringing things backwards?
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What could really be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and me alone. Part of me that cared is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been and tried to pretend again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been.
Okay, I am here now. The goal is to run and not stop. It's very cold. The place in which I want to run to, it's quite far. This road is very long, hence why I'm like, okay, let me challenge myself to run until I don't stop, until I get to the top, and without stopping, But I know me. I used to know how to do this. I'm quite nervous. What if I can't do it? I can do it. Okay, let's go. Could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. I'm holding it in, cause I know in the end, dream about what we could have been. We could have been, we could.
Oh my God! Wow!
I feel so much better now. My jersey's off. Like, I feel so good. It feels so good to be outside. And the weather ain't that bad. You're just cold. Your blood's just not flowing through. There's no circulation. Well, there is circulation, because if there were no circulation, you would die. But get it pumping, and you'll see that the weather is a figment of your imagination, actually. But yeah, I feel so much better. I'm almost at the second park. I don't know what I'll do there, because it's actually a boring park. I have my favorite park, so we'll see this. See me. I'm gonna go home clean, because right now I'm gonna be behind schedule with. I just saw a man transform into a kid. Wait, what? He wasn't wearing that.
Oh hell no!
Let's go. Let's go. No, I'm not dealing with that. No, thank you. Let's go home. Yeah, home. Snack break. Queen, let me tell you what happened. So, I know that person. Anyways, I came home, I cleaned, I ate, and then I was watching Cara Dominique. I got distracted with the vlogs. I was in my happy place, and I just remembered that I have errands to run today, and we need to do that, okay? I can't sit for a long time, but it's so cold. It's so cold. I want to stay at home. I want to sit under the blanket and watch TV shows. I want to watch television and not do anything, okay? But no. Okay, shower time. Let's go. And shower done.
Yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen!
I really dig this, right? But it's like too much. It's too much for a very simple outfit, you know? But I really dig it. Like, I like it. But it's a little bit too much. But what's too much? Like, psh, please, get away from me. And also, do you guys look at these? They're so pretty. My goodness, I don't know if I should keep it. I dig it, but like, you know, let me show you guys without. It makes sense, right? Okay. Okay, we're at Checkers. We're just getting a few stuff that I need. Yeah, I want water. I love flavored water. But yeah, we're just getting a few stuff that we need, and we're gonna go home. Okay, let's go. forgot about that. It gassed me up so much. That was successful. You know when you vlog, everybody looks at you. It's so funny. Anyways, let's go. The lighting here is actually so tea. I don't know if it's the lighting or if it's my shades, but it looks so tea. But we're gonna go home. I think, yeah, we're gonna go home, but we're not going home now. We're going home to drop these off because I don't want to walk with them or like travel around with them. And then the day is gonna continue. Hey, this is actually very spontaneous, I must say. It was very spontaneous. But anywho, okay, I'm home. I just need to unpack everything. I don't know if I'm closing off the vlog yet, but if I am, thank you guys for watching. If you got to this point, thank you for watching. You spent the whole morning with me. Now I'm off to just other things that I need to do during the course of the day. For the rest of the day, like my afternoon and evening, I have to do that now. So I can't take you guys with me, unfortunately, or else I would. You know, I love you guys. We're locked in already. It was one thing where we met and we're just like, boom, lovers, best friends, soulmates type of thing. I just need to unpack everything and get ready to leave. But thank you guys. I hope to see you guys very, very soon, as in like tomorrow, hopefully, God willingly. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I don't know, what, people come out of school at 1 now? Niggas come out of school at 1 now? That's interesting. And these are high school niggas. Anyways, toodaloo!